I think the biggest thing we're going to improve is just we're never going to be able to miss a practice. We're basically going to be able to have this facility open when there's bad weather or even when there's good weather to come in here, because it gives us the opportunity to be in a state-of-the-art turf. It gives us an ability to, when there's inclement weather, to come in. We can share with the other programs that we have here at the school, so it gives us all a sense of a community, I guess.
It's really cool because, like, recently it's been cold, so we've been able to use it, and it just makes it a lot easier to train.